In the book I Choose Freedom and Man, our first president, М.Е.Николаева, told us the history of the formation of the sovereignty of the Republic of Saha, Yakutия. We are witnessing the historical events of the collapse of the Soviet Union and learn firsthand about the political life of the country at that time. In the book, our president gives his thoughts and dreams related to his native republic. М.Е. turns to the history of the nations, reads the books to the Yakut intelligentsia by Kulakovsky, studies foreign experience and looks for the better way. Our people must find their own way to break into civilization. Every man should have freedom of choice, says М.Е., and the state must provide a person with the opportunity to reveal himself, his abilities and capabilities to the greatest extent. Only free human beings can create a social order that suits everyone. The results of the Nikolaev's policy are seen now. He puts the person at the head of the politics, and I want to bring an example of my parents. According to their stories, all the people then lived poorly. In 1992, they just graduated from school and studied in the university. Their parents worked. There were no salaries, food could be received only by coupons. Farming and gathering, hunting and fishing saved families. As our president points out, the Saha are really patient. Despite all the difficulties, my parents found their own way to happiness. They get a profession, a job, and raised 3 children. Even back in the 90s, my parents had a choice, and at the present we have even more opportunities to reveal our abilities. My older sister is an artist. She revives Yakutsk ceramics and trains the youth. Another sister is a business analyst whose work is related to information technology. I play music, volunteer, and interested in the media industry and political science. All this was achieved due to the political course of the 90s, thanks to such programs for children and youth as Music for All, Everyone Grows, Recomputation of Schools, and many others. The development of our republic has reached such a level where you can actually confirm your words with your deeds. We developed what our parents received, freedom of choice. Nowadays we are living difficult times. However, all the challenges lead to the development of society. In the 90s, our leaders worked to revive the self-awareness of the population. At this time, the ideas of patriotism are being proclaimed. I think this is the right way we will build the future of our republic, and the words of our president sounds like a covenant to us. Learn to overcome your inner fears, be confident in yourself, and the most important, learn to take responsibility for your life, for your loved ones and your people.